Owner of Kaduna Sekx party restaurant don't come outside, they cry. Say he need justice. Say he need help. May we help and fight this fight. For now we know they are aware. Yes. What did they call her? Federal government. Federal government go demolish this woman restaurant. No be small thing, no. He demolish her. He scatter. He don't leave even one stone. He don't leave her. Ask me why. All in the name say they do sex party for that place. And according to the woman, he say no even they are aware of anything. No. Say na wrong allegation. Say they in fact I beg, may you not be like saying me just come outside and come the talk plenty things. Because I want make una hear from the horse's mouth. So join me, make we watch the video.
My name is Aisha Aproko. I am the owner of Asha Kings and Queens restaurant. I choose to come out with this video because life is not sweet. Life is not easy anymore. I see my children every day. I can't feed them. I can't do anything. I can't make them go to school because I don't have anything with me. For mere accusation for something I never did. But whatever they were fighting themselves about, I have no business with that because I am not a politician. That has been our source of income. That has been our source of livelihood. We don't have anybody to give us. Coming to do this to me, to destroy my business for mere accusation. I am crying out for Nigerians for help. I need help. I need justice. I need the people Nigeria to stand out and fight for me for justice. I am not hearing anything. I am not seeing anything. What I know is that I need justice. Justice has to take its full cost because this is injustice. Serious. I am innocent. I have nothing to do with sex party.
Now only for Nigeria, governor, fit demolish person property without court order. Hey, our lovely country. Only for this country. Where you no bring court order, you no show person papers. Okay, we've been instructed or we've been given go ahead to do this. Now only for Nigeria, they take laws in their own hands. Like they don't. These Nigerian politicians, they are not just understand. Una change overnight. Overnight. This is heartbreaking. It dey break my heart seriously because now if I dey think of the fact where this woman get 3 children safe, now that one even dey break my heart pass. Single parent. And na the only means of survival wey she get. So now as we dey talk, as una dey hear me, how this woman suppose survive now? How she suppose survive? I don't know why some people just deliberately they do some kind of wicked things, and they give them any red sign for their heart. Now the consequences be this of one terror regime where we get now, immoral practice where they happen for us so wrong. Now the consequences be this. Say baba, say baba. I never forget to now, all of you now we vote for Buhari. No worry, I know they insult anybody. My prayers are with you. I'm not gonna forget. Every day we get chance, I go remind you now. Una see what you now don't put us inside. Una see what you now put us inside. Hey, we don't like this one. We like that one. We don't like this one. Ojuko Koro don't make una bring nonsense. Now people don't they suffer. And if we not take time now, we go, yes, say this woman don't commit suicide. 3 children. No, if now you are, you won't do it. Many people blood, they on top Buhari administration, but they don't know. It don't mean say you go carry knife, say you they keep person. No. That one don't mean say blood. No be that kind of thing that they talk about. Even when you give orders, you are not the one that went physically, but you gave orders to do something, and people are suffering. Some died. The blood is on top of your head. Yes. So I beg me, I don't even know how we even want to start to solve this matter soon as see me like this. No, are they very serious? The only thing I don't think now to make sure say I spread this thing. So make una help me spread this video. See, over spread them because this woman need help. One person no go fit help her. He get the day before. She plus the 3 children. So one person no go fit help her because make una help me. I don't know which kind of school all these our politicians go. Person, you hear say person do sex party. Okay, now bad thing already. But why not find her? Why demolish the place? Find her. If now 50,000 or now waiting, find her. You go demolish the whole place. You don't even give. I beg, if you know this woman, if you know her, be cool, do something. Now why I come outside now? If you know her, do something, because she's desperately in need of help. And if care is not taken, I repeat, this woman fit commit suicide, because may we try do something concerning this matter. I beg. And this one way she dey come outside now, justice, madam. In a country like Nigeria, there's nothing like justice. So this one way they call justice, I don't know whether I go give you another name for her. Maybe just call her help. Because if you say justice, except if not be the justice way we understand, another name for justice maybe not that one. But the justice way you they look for, I bet that one they abroad. No be for this country you go get this kind of justice. So my sister, just focus on the help, financial help what if you get right now. Leave justice alone. Leave justice, you no go get up. Highest they might even end up taking your life. You don't know. It's very, very important. So leave justice there. I bet like people make we try help this woman. Governor Nasi, you be one wicked man where I don't even know. Yeah, so because now he solidly they behind this kind of thing. But when time go soon reach, it remains small. When time go soon catch. I beg. I dey beg one more time. Even if no be for her, for the children, because make we try support them. And as you dey do her, no worry, more go enter your account. Yes, so very, very important. Like people are begging now the matter be this. Make una help me share this video so that everybody go know say person don dey die of hunger. And our governors too, they go see this kind of thing where they don't use their hand come cause. I hope say their hearts they big enough to touch and do something about the situation. Sha. Now why you need to help me share this video and make sure say you drop your comment. Anything you guys talk concerning this matter, drop and there, and subscribe if you never subscribe every day. I beg. See my hand, just click on that thing so that you no go miss anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.